for the media. So any questions are welcome, please. ఎవరైనా ఏదైనా ప్రశ్న అడగాలనుకుంటే కనుక అడగొచ్చు. We would request the mic over there.
సితారా గారు, హాయ్. యాక్చువల్లీ మీ ఫాదర్కి మదర్కి ఇది రిపీటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా సరే మీ గురించి అడిగే క్వశ్చన్. బట్ వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్తారంటే ఇట్స్ సితారాస్ చాయిస్ అని చెప్పి దే ఆల్వేస్ పాస్ ది బక్. ఇప్పుడు మీరు వచ్చారు కాబట్టి ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు ఆస్క్ యూ, ఆర్ యూ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఇన్ మేకింగ్ ఏ కెరియర్ ఇన్ ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
హలో.
సో వాట్ Namrata garu, she said that she's interested. What are your thoughts actually? And Mahesh gar's thoughts?
Actually, both of us have always been very encouraging for both our kids, and we've never given them, we've never pushed them to do something they don't want to do. So I think it's very organic for somebody like Sitara to want to do this because it makes her happy, she enjoys it. I think she's happy doing it, and I think our kids have to be happy in whatever they do, and that's always been our motto.
We should actually appreciate Mahesh garu and you in this actually, because there are so many misconceptions actually to sending girls to industry, but you can be a role model and you can inspire so many people and parents out there with your decision. Thank you.
I think the film industry is a very misunderstood industry, and there is, I'm not saying every place has some rotten apples, but that cannot be held true for the rest of us. So I think our film industry is a very beautiful place if you have the right guidance and if you have the right people supporting you.
Thank you.